Hello students, let's we start the next point of we are not afraid to die in Hornbill. So, first point, the pumps kept the water level under control by the morning on January 3rd. Means till on January 3rd, they kept the water level in control by the help of pumps. The boat's rib frame were smashed. Means boat's rib frames important machines has damaged completely. They survived for 15 hours since waves hit them. Means after hitting the wave, they controlled on water for 15 hours. Means they had spent their 15 hours and by the attack of waves. The boat is working for 15 hours. But the wave walker can't reach Australia. But after this, the wave walker boat had no condition to reach in Australia. And the narrator checked the charts and calculated that there were two small islands. Means the narrator opened the map and charts and guessed that there were two islands where can we reach safely. One of them, Al Amsterdam, was a French scientific base and their aim was to reach there. Between the people, Amsterdam, Al Amsterdam is an one island where was a French scientific base and the narrators aim to reach there. The wave put the auxiliary engine out of action. Means in the wave walker was a supportive engine but now it was damaged. They couldn't set any sail on main mast. Means but the narrator could not set the boat and without engine it could not push on the main mast. Means proper place in the water. And but they hoist the storm jib and headed for the two island. Means they hoist took out the storm jib, means supporting belts, and they came near the islands. And after controlling, they ate their meal. After almost 2 days, after controlling their ship, they had taken meal after 2 days because they felt so weakness. Again at 4 p.m., black clouds built up, but they noticed that the black clouds had started to come again. It was the timing at 4 p.m. Wind was back to 40 knots. It means wind again started its speed on 40. The seas were getting higher. Means the sea waves starting again on the higher level. Means raised highly. The weather remained rough throughout the night. Means on that day, in complete night, the weather was not good. Its condition became dangerous and situation remained same by dawn on January 5th. Means there was no difference in the weather between 3rd to 5th January. And the narrator tried to assure his son, but John said, "We are not afraid to dying if we can all be together." Means to see the dangerous condition of sea, the narrator tried to assure his son John and said, "Don't be afraid, son. We are safe still now, but Jonathan replied that we are not afraid to die. We are all, if we are all together. The narrator was speechless to listen the things of courage of his son. The narrator became speechless. He became happy. The narrator and his wife felt that their end was very near, means, but the narrator and his wife both felt that now we are not safe and their end was near. Wave Walker rode out the storm and they rechecked and could expect to see island at about 5 p.m. on January 6 evening. But after some time, their ship was came out from the danger, and they again checked the meter of ship, and they hoped that on 6th January they could reach on island in the evening at 5 p.m. The wave walker, the son Jonathan, seemed quite excited and wanted to hug his dad. Also told him that he was the best daddy in the whole world. Means the son and the daughter were outside on the ship deck, and when they saw the island, they become excited, and the son ran away near his father and hugged his father and told to the narrator that he was the best father of the world because he increased the courage of every person in the difficulty. They found the island L Amsterdam, means they reached on the L Amsterdam island. They anchored offshore for the night. They anchored offshore means they stay there for the nights. The next morning, all 28 inhabitants of the island came to cheer them. Means the next morning, when they reached on island, then 28 inhabitants means 28 people had come there and welcomed them and said, "Thank God." Okay, students, your chapter is completed.